Hey you guys, what is up? My name is Raquel and today I have some items that I feel like you definitely should buy from Amazon for your Disney trip. Our trip is just 7 days away. We will be in Disney and I'm really excited about that. So I have a list of items that I have acquired from previous times, previous trips, but also for this trip specifically, I've bought items from Amazon and I feel like I wanted to share with you guys because I feel like that they're awesome and that you should have them too. So if you would like to see this video, go ahead and stick around. So all the items that I talk about today will be linked in the description box below. I do get a small commission, very small commission off Amazon if you guys do use the link that I link below, but otherwise I'm not paid. I purchased all of these items for myself. But if you do see something and you do like it, go ahead and click that link. That'll be very helpful to me and I think you will truly enjoy these items as well. So the first category is just travel essentials just in general. And the first item I want to show you guys is this travel book bag. Out of 19,126 reviews, it gets 4.5 stars. What was most appealing to me is how wide this book bag opens up. There are multiple compartments. So it says it has 19 pockets in total, which is awesome, and a USB charging port. So right here, you can charge like this picture shows right here. Definitely have electronics that I'm going to bring, but also it's big enough so that I can put clothes in here, personal items in here as well, and easily accessible just because of the way it unzips and how wide it opens up when you unzip it. I like that it has this strap right here. So there's all kind of zippers and compartments and places to just store your belongings, and I'm definitely going to take this into the park as well, so not only to travel with but to take in the park. So the next item up are these travel collapsible water bottles. So they are silicone, they have a little hook, they have like a twisty top, so you twist it, the cap, it comes off, and then you lock it in place by twisting it and it stays in place, which is great because again these are travel. And then what is also great is, so they open all the way. So of course when you, and now you have a regular size water bottle, which is great. I believe this is 16 ounces of water you can put in here. And then when we're not using them, we can just collapse them like so. Twist on these, and then this is small enough that I can just put in the book bag. So next, I recommend the Gonex compression packing cubes. These are great in order to pack your bags just because you can fit so much in these bags. They are definitely a space saver. And what I'm hoping is that we're going to underpack so that we can go ahead and have souvenirs or other things that we want to bring home. I just don't want to overpack this time, so these are definitely going to help. And since we're just talking about bags, I'm just going to continue with the theme. I'm just going to mention these waterproof reusable bags. We're going to be in Florida and it's probably going to rain, and I know for sure we're getting into the pool. So should our clothes get wet or still wet the day of us leaving, we have these waterproof bags. I was watching a pack with me of a woman that was taking her toddler to Disney. She's putting her electronics in this bag until she's ready to use the bag, and then of course she's going to put the wet items in here. But I think that's great if you just put your electronics in here just so that nothing happens to them, that they stay dry in the event of, you know, spillage or anything happen in your bag. So that's what I plan to do, and it will prevent other items from getting wet as well if we put it in our suitcase or our book bag. But I recommend bringing a steamer if you have the space for it, or if it's a car trip. I'm just a millennial. I don't like ironing my clothes. I need things to be simple and quick. Just warming this up, and it takes literally 2 seconds and gets every single wrinkle out of your clothes super simply. Next item up might be a little bit random if you don't know me or my kids, but we can't live, we can't breathe, we can't operate, we can't sleep without our sound machine. I know there's YouTube and I know that you can do it on your phone, but there's something just about plugging this in, turning it up, and just like drifting off to sleep. And it's inexpensive for the amount of peace and calm. It's worth every single penny. It's a frustrating situation when you're traveling because there's never enough lighting, and there's never enough mirrors. This is an LED mirror, you guys. You plug this in to its port, you charge it, and then when you're ready to use it, you are good to go. It has this little stand that you're like this with, and you hit the little button. And this thing was so cheap. It was so cheap for what it does and what it is. It's so affordable. I use it all the time, even when I'm just doing my makeup and I want to be somewhere a little bit more comfortable than just in the bathroom. I'm using this in other places, just in my house in general. So I highly recommend this LED mirror. Next, disregard the box. I bought some rain ponchos because we'll be in Florida and it rains all the time in Florida. So I'm just going to be prepared, and we're going in April, so I'm expecting there to be rain. So I got extra thick family pack, and it says it's 100% waterproof, and it came with 8 individually wrapped, 4 adults and 4 children's, and they're assorted colors and everything. So of course here's the kids ones, and then here's the adult ones. Next, I'm really excited to share with you guys the clothing items that I purchased from Amazon. I have to show you these shorts, you guys. These shorts are so, oh my gosh, I just love them. I love these shorts. They are super buttery soft. They had great reviews on Amazon, and they were very affordable. You get 3 in a pack, and I'm actually going to go on there tonight just to see if they have legging version of this. They go all the way up. I would love these in a full-blown legging and not just biker shorts. But I've already worn 2 pairs. I have one designated just for the gym, and I'm bringing the other 2, and I'm wearing those like until I can't wear them anymore. And I'm trying to be comfortable the entire trip. So biker shorts, leggings, soft comfortable t-shirts. I'm just there to chill and have fun and be a kid. So out of 8,620 reviews, it has 4.5 stars, and it's saying that it's the #1 bestseller. And truly believe it, because these are so the softest biker shorts that I have ever put on in my life. I want to wear them all the time, to bed, out grocery shopping, to work. Like, I never want to take them off. They are so comfortable. Again, they're super high-waisted, extremely buttery soft, great material. Just can't say enough great things about them. So highly recommend these biker shorts. Also, look at this skirt, this jean skirt. I wanted a black jean skirt to wear. This is also super buttery, super soft, and I like the cut of it. I like the color of it. Great buy, great Amazon buy. Also, for the babies, for the kids. Now, I'm just showing the things that I purchased from Amazon. This is in no way the only outfits that I'm bringing for Disney for them. Just so that you guys, just for clarification. So starting with my son, because for my son, it was just so hard to find that in-between type shirts that I felt that he would actually like and enjoy. I didn't want them to be too immature for him, but also something that I feel like will speak and appeal to him. So the first shirt that I saw, he's really into the Mandalorian. So I saw this shirt and I really like this. So I believe he said that he at first wanted to wear this one, which I really like. And I like this material. It's very soft, almost jersey-like. I like the color as well. So Amazon saw that I was searching for Star Wars shirts. So they suggested a pack of 3, you guys. And these shirts are amazing. So look at how cool this is. My son is 14. This is so cool for a 14-year-old. This, so cool. Star Wars is a periodic table. And I love the colors of this. Like, I love this. Star Wars with Chewie on the front. Look how cute this set is. Oh my gosh, and it comes with a little scrunchie. So adorable. Oh, and they have little Mickey ears. And then Minnie, she's a huge Minnie Mouse fan, and it's a little tank right here, and it has a scrunchie with it. This is so adorable. It has a little ruche or a little flare down here, and it says Minnie Mouse. It has glitter on it. Okay, so this one also comes with a scrunchie. I have no idea, but it's the same like tie-dye thing as the shirt, but look how cute this shirt is. We're all doing Star Wars, so this is her Hollywood Studios shirt, and I just love it. So it has the tie-dye, it has a really soft material going on. Of course, Baby Yoda on there, and it says the force is strong with this child. Found the scrunchie. I know I would. I knew I had it. It was right next to me. It was under these clothes. Look at this outfit. Okay, you ready? Look how cute this is. This is so adorable. It's glittery and it has stars on here. And it's, of course, Princess Jasmine themed. And it has a scrunchie too. And it has glitter all over it. You can't really have too many soft shorts. They're a little transparent, I'm not going to lie. She can wear some soft shorts underneath here, under her skirt. All the colors are in here, so I felt like she will definitely get some wear out of these. And again, not necessarily as bottoms because they are pretty sheer, but to put under things that she's going to wear. So if she's going to wear a skirt, can have this as protection. Also, if your kids have Crocs, make sure you get little shoe charms for them, just like this. These have just some Disney characters and Pixar characters on there. They have other charms, so these are Marvel characters that I purchased as well, if they're into the superheroes. So definitely recommend that, just to, you know, be on theme and be fun and go to Disney with some charms on your shoes. And they are very inexpensive and you get a whole bunch in a pack, and you can definitely share with other family and friends. Okay, you guys, I think that's all that I have for you. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. If I did, I'll definitely insert them into the video. Again, all of the items will be linked in the description box below, so if you see something that catches your eyes, please go ahead and use the link to go ahead and make your purchase. It will definitely help me out, and I really truly bought all of these items with the intention of it making my travel trip a lot easier and a lot better. Amazon is awesome, especially if you're a Prime member, because it comes to your house just like that. So I love Amazon and I get a lot of items from them. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.